Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. This is Rafe from Raytech Studio and today we are going to take a look at the top of the line variant of the Craft Series gaming chair from DXRacer guys. So grab your seats and a cup of the coffee because this is going to be exciting. Well, DXRacer is one of the pioneer when it comes to the developing and manufacturing of gaming chairs in gaming industry. Prior to this, DXRacer preceded was a corporation specialized in designing and manufacturing racing seats. It's one of the few businesses around the world to reach FIA requirements. After 3 years of extensive research, development and countless tests, DXRacer introduced the world's first gaming chair in 2006 known as the Formula Series, making groundbreaking milestone in the gaming industry. And today we are going to be reviewing their Craft Pro gaming chair guys. So without any further ado, let's start the show. If you like our content guys, kindly please go and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can receive the updates of the upcoming videos. So now let's quickly unbox this gaming chair guys and see what contents they have provided you into the box.
Lost in my thoughts, these ruins and chaos are leaving me so lost. I feel lost.
Now talking about the assembly of this chair guys, which is quite easy. There is no rocket science, it's just putting all the parts on their places together. It's straightforward guys. Good thing is this, they have also included instruction manual into the box, which makes it quite easy to assemble the chair without any hustle. Well guys, it took us around like 20 minutes to 30 minutes to figure out and to completely assemble this gaming chair guys. Now starting from the design and the features, well, the design language of this gaming chair is quite minimal. It's not too fancy. It seems like DXRacer has put a lot of effort in maintaining the design language on their gaming chairs. The stitching looks real sporty, and the branding of the DXRacer on the sides and at the back look quite dope in our opinion. The Craft series come in various variants and various sizes guys. We have the plus XL variant in black. However, there are other options available according to the various heights. The Craft series also comes in the various colors and the options and styles, and we have the classic black one with us at the time of the review. However, their custom variants are just so amazing to look like the esports, IP and cross leagues. The build quality of this chair is quite solid. Everything is on the high quality. The seat cushion is quite thick and wide, and as compared to the other gaming chairs in the market. You might be wondering that more cushions means more softness, but that is not the case here. The seat cushion is bit more on the firmer side in our opinion, but of course that is subjective. Similarly, on the back side, again a lot of a cushion, but still that is also quite firm. DXRacer is marketing that as their slow rebound memory foam that helps in elevating the soreness and the pressure on your hip. This makes it possible for a gamer to sit for hours without any discomfort. There is also 2D integrated lumbar support that easily fits the curves of your spine, like tuning the adjustment knob to clockwise and counterclockwise. We can easily increase and decrease the lumbar support depth, and to be honest, this is an incredible feature guys. In our opinion, like every brand should have this feature in their gaming chairs. They also have magnetic memory foam head pillow at the top, and it can be also adjusted very easily, which is really good for long time of gaming. There are 4D armrests, means it can be easily adjusted in all 4 directions. This offers dynamic support for your forearms and elevates pressure on your shoulders by adjusting to your posture need guys. The reclining angle of the Craft series is from 90 degree to 135 degrees to accommodate the users sitting posture preferences, like if we want to take a nap or just relax, just enable the rocking mode and that's it. Sit back and relax and enjoy your Netflix or the movies and also the other stuff. You know what I mean. Next we have a multifunction tilting mechanism that enables you to like lock your chair in inclining movement while playing games or doing other important work. At the bottom we have an aluminum wheelbase which is solidly manufactured and 2.36 inches PU caster wheels and help a lot in the smooth movement during switching places. So overall the design language of this gaming chair is like a fantastic. Even the build quality is also solid, like no matter how much you play with the chair, adjusting it, fidgeting it, it does not make any annoying noises. Also it is fully loaded on the features and quite comfortable, and the comfort is quite a subjective term if you ask me, as some people like their seats be firm and some don't. So it's totally on the user that how they prefer the level of the comfort. We think the seat and the back of this gaming chair is on the firmer side guys. Rest you are not going to have any problem with the chair. This is going to be outperform for much of the gaming chairs present at the moment guys in the industry. Playing games or working all the day is not going to be any issue for this gaming chair. Now talking about the price and the warranty, the DXRacer is selling this Craft Pro Plus for the price of $499 with classic black and XL configuration. Mostly they have the same prices for almost all of their variants, and they are also giving a warranty of 3 years on their Craft series lineup. Having more year warranty on the warranty period clearly indicates the trust and that the brand has in its products, which also indicates how strongly these chairs are clearly made. Well, this was the DXRacer Craft Pro Plus gaming chair. If you like the video, hit the like button and get subscribed to the channel for more videos, and we will be seeing you into the next video now guys. Thank you.